Hi everybody, this is Arlo for Do-It-Yourself Tips. Today we're going to talk about installing vinyl flooring, and I'm going to go over a few of the techniques. The vinyl strips come in, look like this, and as you can see there's two different types of grooves. There's a short groove and a long groove, and they have them on two different sides. So short grooves on these two ends, long grooves on the other two ends. But before you start installing vinyl flooring, the first thing I recommend is in the preparation of your floor. And I've done about half this floor, but you can see the floor that I haven't done. It's down to whatever bare surface is all. You want to fill in any large divots. If you need to use floor leveler, you can. I'm going to mainly talk about what you need to do to make sure that you get off to a good start in this first video. And what that means is if you come over here, what you want to avoid when you're doing vinyl flooring is ending up with a really small piece, like less than an inch, along a wall or along your cabinetry. And that being said, if you're doing cabinetry for the first time, the cabinetry should be installed before you install a floating floor. This is a floating floor, so there's usually anywhere between a 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch space gap left along all the edges of the walls and the cabinets, which you can use these spacers to help you accomplish this. This one comes in both 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch, and you can set it in to help offset it from the walls. So the first thing you need to do is, if you want to have a nice long run that's straight, you need to draw that line using a laser level. I have one, and I set it up so that I knew I'd have a straight edge over here, so I set up my laser level and measured distances periodically from this wall and from this wall to make sure both sets were straight. And I measured out a distance so that I would end up with a good chunk of flooring. You can see the floor is about this thick right here, where it ends in the doorways. Like, you don't want to go right up to the wall and then realize, oh, I need to go halfway into my door, and end up with a small tile piece again. So your first set of tile, or first set of vinyl flooring run, needs to be straight and level, and you spend your time getting that all set up. And we'll talk more in our next video about how you cut the stuff and how you lay it